This is JCR by Eli Layfield. I'm just starting up on this 67 Mustang for wet sand and polish. Has a little bit of peel in it. I did do a test panel already. I started with 600 all the way up to 1500 and then gave it a polish. So we got this quarter here, the passenger rear. It's been wet sand and polished already. And then into the door I have to do next. So we got racing stripes here. Looks shiny from here, looks good. Can't really see the orange peel, so we will be Alright, so we got the door here. It's still got a lot of peel in it. I haven't actually wet sanded it at all. And we're moving on to the quarter here. The quarter panel has been done just in a rough grit and a light polish. You can kind of see the difference. It definitely looks a lot smoother. Status update on a 67 Mustang. Took the hood and trunk off just now. Hood and trunk have to be wet sanded still. The rest of the car is mostly done. Fender, cowl, roof, door, quarters. Jams have been unmasked. Light hardline on the edge here. Needs some rattle can clear coat. As well on the jams on both sides. Quarter's done on the driver's side. Half the roof is done as well. Driver door is done, unmasked as well. And then the front fender I'm working on right now today. Progress, more or less. Trunk is just over here. The underside has a lot of overspray due to the light masking. You can kind of see that hard line right here. It's all silver overspray from the silver base coat because it's purple candy it's looking like. A little overspray in the corner here you can see. All the way up into the underside of the trunk. Just dry sand this hood of some 600, moving up to 800. You can see there's a couple lows there and a couple major dust nibs wherever they are right there. We'll get to a canal of 800 and then we'll bring it up to 2000 and give her a light polish and see how it looks, and then touch it up from there. See a couple more dust nibs there. Alright, so all the peel has been cut like 600 and should have a really nice glossy finish. Trunk's been done already in 1500 grit, so it's been brought up from 6 to 1500, and we'll see how it looks. Thank you. One side here is definitely not looking too pretty. Might have to do some adjustment later, otherwise they're done. Seal, cut still. Fine. And yeah, the car's basically done.